Buongiorno. We are looking at how to pronounce with a typical Italian pronunciation, as well as how to say it in English, the name of this traditional Italian type of sweet bread originally from Milan and usually prepared and enjoyed for Christmas and the New Year. How do you go about pronouncing it? In Italy, in Italian, it is normally said as Panettone. You do want to stress on the third syllable, the to syllable. Panettone, panettone. It'd be fine in English to say it as panettone. Panettone, not panettone. Panettone. Did you get it? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more Italian words and Italian food names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.